Don't hide your face. Don't hide your face. You're so cute. Okay.
3 takes.
Hi everyone, my name is Victoria Wenberg. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2, sorry, one sec.
Yeah.
I'm staring right into the camera, right?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Because I'm kind of looking at myself in the thing, right into the camera. Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Victoria Wenberg. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 beautiful children, 3 if you're counting this furry little guy right here. And I just wanted to make this video to show you guys some of my favorite things that I use. No, what was what I said before? Sorry.
No problem.
Okay.
It's just a loosen up exercise.
Okay.
Then you'd be like, hi guys, my name's Victoria, da-da-da, right? Okay, super drunk.
Okay. Hi guys! My name is Victoria, and yeah, that's my name, right? Yeah, Victoria. This is my dog, Stax. Actually, you know what? My first name actually is Rebecca. It's true story. But I'm here talking to you guys today about, yes, I'm talking to you guys about my CC cream. And my mascara. Yeah, those are my 2 favorite products that I use. When I'm really late, I have no time in the morning because I have 2 kids. 2 kids! So I use my CC cream and my mascara. Yeah, that's what I use. So this is my CC cream, which I use not every day, but pretty much when I want to go out and look a little bit fresh. So you only need a really little amount, which is what I like, so you don't have to keep buying it over and over again. And it just goes on really simple, like a lotion. So there's no like skill or anything involved to make yourself look beautiful. It's really easy. I love it pretty much because it's like going on like a lotion. It covers your blemishes, and it evens out your skin tone. And it gives you a nice like airbrushed look. For me anyways, that's why I like it. And it's easier to apply. Voila, and that's done. The second thing that I'm going to use is my mascara. I'm a really picky person with mascara. This is my favorite. It took me a while to find one, but the brush itself is really long, which I really like because it gets all of your eyelashes. And it smells like lilacs. And it goes on really smooth. And it stays on all day. You can put like 2 coats on. I like to put 2 coats. I don't know why, but our mouth's always open when we put mascara on. Stretches out our eyes. Stretches out our eyes. It's funny watching people put mascara on, I think. Don't neglect the little ones on the bottom. See? Nice. Ready to feed some children. And I always put on just a little bit. There, I feel a little bit more fresh now. And I'm ready for work. Alright guys, so this is the final look from using my 2 favorite products. I got the CC cream and the mascara. Ain't I beautiful? Yeah, so that's it. Very simple, very easy, quick for, if you don't have enough time. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time.